Hi everyone, are you tired of your old and boring sunglasses case and you want to make something beautiful and unique in your own style? Then come and join me. Let me take you to adventure. This course is for adventurous beginners and intermediate embroiderers. But beware, no sewing machine is needed to finish this class project. All you need is a needle and a thread, and I will teach you all the stitches that you need to know. I will guide you through this project step by step. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vesna. I am an embroiderer from Slovenia. Embroidery is my passion that I share on my blog and also on my social media. So what do you say? Are you ready for the adventure? Let's hop into the course!